Hello, welcome to this quick tutorial on crocheted fringe. I'm doing this to demonstrate how the crocheted fringe in Eclat du Soleil's beautiful pattern paving is made. So paving is a crocheted stole. The pattern is available in my web shop. I will link to it, of course, in the description. And the original paving stole is worked in a very fine merino cobweb yarn, which is also available in my shop. Here I have two quick and dirty unblocked swatches in fingering weight merino and light fingering weight alpaca. So both of these are considerably thicker, heavier weight than the original yarn in the stole, but they are alternatives for making it. And I'm going to demonstrate a fringe in a much thicker yarn, which is my DK weight merino. So of course the technique is just the same, and I'm using a heavier weight yarn so you can clearly see what I'm doing, as clearly as my autofocus webcam today allows. However, for the final result, bear in mind that you would normally work this stole in a thinner or much thinner yarn, and this of course affects the softness of the fringe. So here I have just worked a small swatch of the border, and now I'm going to go on to the fringe. So I have just finished my previous row and turned. Now we chain 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Take care not to do these chains too tightly, since we are going to work into them immediately using slip stitches. So we're going to start in the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. I'm inserting my hook in this one and pulling up the yarn to make a slip stitch. Simply, I find this much easier if I hold on to the tip of the fringe. So now I'm going to do the next one. I insert my hook here, and then just to keep things steady and good, I pinch the tip of the fringe already made with my thumb. This way it doesn't roll around, everything stays neatly on the right side, and it's pretty easy to go down and work a total of 11 slip stitches. Since we made 13, we skipped 2 at the beginning, and if your stitches will be much smaller, so it can be useful to count these slip stitches just to make sure you don't miss one. So that's the 11th one. After each fringe you should skip a stitch. So the first one you skip is the first one in the row, and then you slip stitch into the next stitch. So just so. And let's make another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I make the first one. Oops, I like to take both loops there. In the third from the hook, and then I work down 2, 3, 4. I move my hands, you can see many more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And to make sure I know exactly where I am, I reposition my work. I'm skipping the next stitch and making a slip stitch in the other one, and so on to the end of your row, which will be longer than mine, of course, and you will end with a slip stitch in the turning chain in the previous row. So this was a short tutorial on working crocheted fringe, and this fringe is used in Éclat du Soleil's pattern paving that you can find on my website. If you're interested in more crochet tutorials, do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel. If you click the little bell, you will be notified every time I put another one online. I do tutorials, and I also do regular podcasts where I talk a little bit more about everything I do. Hope to see you around. Thank you. Bye bye.